You know what? Check it out. I am a woman and I am what I feel. Can't fake affection, yeah, it's got to be real. I really love you, but things haven't been right. So we're gonna talk this over if it takes us all night. I know you're a good man, so it's hard to say this, but baby, you've been treating me like I'm a problem to fix. Oh, I could be for you all that a man could ever need. Oh, I'm your woman, baby. How can you be complaining? I'm your woman, baby. How can you be complaining? I'm your woman, baby. How can you be complaining? I'm your woman, baby. How can you be complaining? We've had our issues, but you've got to know I've tried to give you all of the love you desire. But all that you gave me for all the tears I've cried is your anger, frustration, and verbal abuse that you know you can't deny. Yeah.